Hey guys, Lisa Callaghy here to share with you a video on the new Envision Mathematics 2024 series component called BrainingCamp Digital Manipulatives. So let's get started. I have created a video for you on BrainingCamp's tasks, and I suggest that you watch that video prior to this one because it will give you more direction on what you need to look at that I'm going to teach you on this video. All right, so let's get started. I'm here on the table of contents on a teacher edition of Envision Mathematics. Make sure you're on a 2024 edition because the others will not have this new feature or component. I'm going to scroll down to basically the bottom, and here I'm going to see 3 places where you have the opportunity to click on BrainingCamp features. So the first video was on the BrainingCamp tasks, and if you did watch that, you'll know that whichever task you chose to look through, it did give you the manipulative that you would use and alternate manipulatives that you would use for that particular task with your students. So now, this video is going to show you where to find those manipulatives and how to get a video tutorial on those manipulatives so that it can help you with the BrainingCamp tasks. So let's click on BrainingCamp Digital Manipulatives, and you'll see it's going to give you an open in new window link. And now here are the manipulatives. So in the last video, hope I remember, I believe we were looking at linking cubes, maybe colored tiles, and maybe 2 colored counters. Those, I believe, were the 3 manipulatives that went along with the task that I showed in the previous video. So now you have 2 options. You can click on one of the manipulatives and take a look at what you have available by clicking around to see what's going on. Okay. Or you could come up to where it says tutorials, which I highly recommend, and scroll down and find that same manipulative and watch the video on how to use this digital manipulative, I should say, so that you have a better understanding. So when you are doing the tasks with your students, you will be able to use the manipulatives in the way that the task is asking you to. Okay, so I also want to just point out, if you want to have an overview of BrainingCamp and how it's used, like as an overview, like I said, you can click on the video here and look at the video. It's quick. And then the PDF, I suggest that you don't look at. It's just onboarding, which we already have done for you. Savas has a relationship with BrainingCamp, so you don't have to follow any of the instructions on the PDF. So in the next video, part 3, I'm going to show you how you're going to use the task along with the manipulative or manipulatives that the task calls for with your students in a live session. So what does that mean? It means that your students are going to each have a digital view of your manipulative, your digital manipulative that you're going to show them from your computer to their computer. Okay? So, I hope this helps. The next video is going to be a little bit longer because it's going to show you how to connect your students to the actual live piece where you're able to work with your students and a specific task. All right, guys, I hope this helps. Have a great day.